Hey guys, welcome to our diamond market roundup for the week ending January 27th. January is always a strange time in the diamond industry for me. The trade is waiting on tenterhooks to see how the market will evolve in the year ahead, and that's especially true when there are so many moving parts influencing the market as there are at the moment. Well, the news flow is starting to give us some answers, particularly when it comes to the US holiday season. The Edge Retail Academy, in a column for National Jeweler this week, reported gross sales were basically flat year on year for the holiday season among the independent jewelers that it works with, while the number of units sold declined by 5%. All things considered, I don't think that's too bad at all, especially given the strength of the previous year that we're comparing to. Burks Group saw same-store sales down 3.2% year-on-year in November-December, but the Canadian jeweler, which has some presence in the United States, noted it was about 15% above pre-COVID levels, and that's quite encouraging, I think. Meanwhile, high-end jewelers have emerged bullish on China, with Swatch Group upbeat about its prospects on the mainland as the country has come off a period of intense COVID lockdowns and is now opening up. Swatch's jewelry and watch sales rose 2% to $7.8 billion in 2022, and that includes brands Harry Winston, Omega, Tissot, and of course Swatch. So things are not bleak at retail at all, but they're also not great at wholesale. Polished diamond demand is selective as jewelers start to replenish inventory they sold during the holiday season, but buyers lack urgency, and dealers are uncertain due to the slow demand and the mixed polished price trends that we're seeing. Manufacturers are keeping their polish production low, and so there is caution on the rough market as well. At the same time, there's also less rough coming to the market due to the restrictions on El Rosa. So it's a balancing act which makes it difficult to read. I told you there are a lot of moving parts in this market. I expect that much will be revealed in the coming weeks, and who knows, maybe even at next week's Centurion Jewelry Show and the AGTA Gem Fair in Tucson. If you're going to be there, I wish you a successful show at both events. Finally, a big congratulations to Melanie Grant, who has been a contributor to Rapaport's Jewelry Connoisseur blog and appeared on the Jewelry Connoisseur podcast. Melanie was appointed Executive Director at the Responsible Jewelry Council, a very important position in the industry. Guys, before I leave you, something you might not know: Rapaport is among the biggest recyclers of diamonds in the market today. In fact, there are single stone jewelry and melee auctions going on right now across New York, Israel, Dubai, and online. If you're a supplier, you can get the highest cash prices when you sell your melee and single stone diamonds with Rapaport Auctions. Check it out for more information on rapaportauctions.com. They also do cool things like sponsor this video. So if you want to see more of us, more of me, subscribe, like, follow, and comment. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great weekend, everyone, and thank you for watching.